Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your name in Snake.io game. If you want to play with a new nickname and show off your style, this guide will help you out. First of all, launch open Snake.io game on your device, and from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the pencil icon right next to your current name at the top left. Now, go ahead and erase your current name and write down the new name you are trying to change to. Once done, click the tick mark or tap on done, and you will then be able to change your name on Snake.io game. Your new name will be reflected in your game at the top left right next to your profile avatar. That's how you successfully change your name in Snake.io. Now you can play under a fresh nickname and make your mark in the leaderboard. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.